welcome to Gran Canaria. So actually we had a little bit of a debacle yesterday. We got here actually 2 days ago, but we got here pretty late on, what day did we get here? Monday? And then Tuesday, yesterday, we went to the beach, except it was actually disgusting out because there's like a sandstorm. It looked like a fucking apocalypse on the beach. Nonetheless, we went tanning for about 4-5 hours, but today it's actually nice out. So I decided to start the vlog today. Okay, so we definitely got some color today. As I was saying, well, right before I went into this little mercado, so we could get some Diet Cokes and some water, because we've been literally out of water this entire beach day. And I did not vlog yesterday because literally this fucking sandstorm made the beach so hazy and disgusting. We still tanned, but today is much better. So essentially, Rhea and I are wearing the same bathing suit because we went shopping separately and both thought it was cute, both bought it, and we decided to wear it on the same day, because why would we not? But we're planning on being on the beach for like another hour or so. Am I right?
Right.
Oh wait, let's tell them our plan for tonight. You can explain.
Oh yeah, so we're gonna go get a okay, well after that we're gonna get ready and take some sunset pictures and
even though the sun
unsensify ourselves from what's been going on.
Literally, we've been like a little bit atrociously looking the past few days, but that's okay because it all ends tonight.
It'll all be worth it.
Let's see if we can find Tiffany now.
Hey.
It's just me and Tiffany here on the towels now, but Nicole and Rhea individually left so they could take showers and such, but me and Tiffany kept swimming. Literally, our Airbnb is like almost right on the beach. It's lovely.
So nice.
We're just so happy and grateful that like today worked out, because yesterday, I keep talking about it. I'll put a picture on the screen of like how disgusting the beach looked. We literally were still out here for hours yesterday though. Like all of us were like feeling really pale. Now, thankfully, we're getting fucking tan, dude. I don't know if you can really even see, but I have a headache though from the water like constantly slamming against our heads. Tiffany's glasses literally got eaten. Guys, we're all ready. Woo! These are the outfits. Come on. Literally don't play with us. Like, we're genuinely new bitches, okay? How we feeling today?
Amazing.
Yeah, don't play.
We did everything we need.
Woo! We take this so seriously. Oh, okay, so my hair is actually a mess.
Really works with this camera.
But
The back shots? No. The what? The back shots? Yeah.
yes, I'm wearing a dress with flip-flops.
The streets, they probably...
Hey guys, so come to dinner with us. Guys, get in it.
Hey.
Nicole is recording because I fear that I'm never in my own vlogs, so today is the day. Come with.
Don't tangent me. Which one? The bus driver of my high school.
Yeah.
Like each cheek needs like its own like street.
We're gonna go get tapas and go get some more drinks, cause why not? Please.
We're waiting on our Aperol spritzes and our cheese board. We're really excited.
Oh my god, yes.
Hey, desire. Wait, no, that's not the right one. Desire, like fire. I'm tired. No, yeah, it's a wider glass. No, yeah, it's a wider glass, right?
Cheers.
Mikey now. Yeah, Mikey. What's your number, Natty boy? Lucy. Lucy.
Mikey Mouse.
Mikey horse. Lucy.
I got gelato. It's pretty good. I got cookies and cream, I think. I don't know. Okay, so it's rough. It's rough out here. Rise and shine, guys. I'm looking pretty tan today. So is Tiffany. She's right here. And it's just me and her right now at the moment because the other girls are not feeling too hot. Getting tan. Holy shit, I look like really glowy.
Oh my god.
I just went back to the apartment. The girls are still in there, Rhea and Nicole, because they're still not really feeling too hot. I think we all got a lot of sun yesterday. I went to go grab my sunglasses because I left them, but I'm gonna go find Tiffany at the beach now. Oh my god. I'm like fully like in like just straight up bikini walking around like. Hi guys, good morning. So it is currently Friday morning. Yeah, Friday morning. We got here on Monday, so I've been vlogging like here and there. I honestly have not been vlogging very well and not a lot. But the thing is unfortunately, Nicole got pink eye on our trip. Tiffany got a little bit sick, and Rhea also was dealing with like stomach issues. Literally 3 out of the 4 of us came down with something. Luckily, I am feeling fine, which is good because literally I'm flying alone today. All of the girls just left about 5 minutes ago. So now I have the Airbnb to myself for like 2 hours. It's 8 in the morning right now. I'm literally never up this fucking early. But I have the Airbnb until 10, so I'm gonna make use of it and like play music and just chill and cook on the stove so I don't have to go buy food. And just kind of relax. I really honestly do not know what I'm gonna do until my 8 p.m. flight. I think maybe I'll just go to the airport pretty fucking early, like maybe like 5 or 5:30, but like I want to go to the beach today. I'm just like nervous that like I'm gonna get all disgusting and not be able to shower before my flight, but I don't know. All right, it's about 10. I'm packing up right now. I have literally that bag, this bag on me, and then I'm gonna be taking this one to the beach because it has like sunscreen and all that, but taking that to the trash and saying bye to this apartment. It's like 2 p.m. now, and I'll probably go get food around like 4, but I'm not getting my hair wet. I'm just getting my body wet. It's like, it's way too hot to not go in the ocean, so I've been getting in, just not getting my hair wet. But it's literally so beautiful. I don't want to leave. Obviously, I miss my friends, and it's like lonely a little bit being at the beach by myself, but I literally go to the beach by myself all the time back home, so it's fine. Hey guys, it's Sunday morning. I'm all ready to go back to the airport, and I literally just got back like less than 48 hours ago. But we're heading to Lisbon today. I'm about to go walk over to Leah's because it's just me and her on this trip, and I'm so excited. Hi guys, we came to Starbucks. Leah's here with me.
On the way to Lisboa.
We just landed. We're gonna go get food now at this little cafe. I want a little breakfast burrito. We're fucking starving.
So hungry. Twinning again.
Oh yeah, also we're twinning. We're at this cute little restaurant that I found on TikTok. I'm super excited. It's so pastel. Literally, I'm loving it. Like, we should stay longer.
Yeah, looking, oh, not much is open, but.
Yeah, because it's literally Easter. So, I don't know. We didn't think about that.
It's okay.
Guys, we're in our Airbnb now. What time is it?
It is 5:30.
Okay. Well, we got ready. So cute. We're going to do a fit check. But we're going to go get an Aperol Spritz and do this little photo booth. But it's also Easter, so there's like not much open at the moment.
Hey guys, fit check. This is from Stradivarius. This is from Anine Bang.
Okay.
Shoes are Adidas.
Right.
These are Lucy's.
Mm-hmm.
This is Bershka.
Oh, I thought it was a D.
Nope, it's a dupe.
All right.
All right, this is mine. This top is from Bershka. I'm pretty sure the sport is also from Bershka.
No, that's from Strat. Is that the one we got? together.
Oh, it was Stradivarius?
Yeah.
Okay, I guess I'm Stradivarius then. Wait, did I get this top there too? Yeah, I got these together.
Oh.
Alright, so I guess they're both from Stradivarius, not Bershka. Everybody's waiting in line to take a photo. Guess what we're doing? We're also in line to take a photo. We're sitting at this cute little like restaurant cafe called A Brasileira. Right. We got Aperol spritzes and like a pastel de nata, which is like a traditional Portuguese little pastry, and we're gonna share it and try it. We're off to Brandy.
Got
Hey,
gelato.
we just got ice cream. I'm scared because this skirt is white. Pics at that cute little lookout. It's so pretty. You can see so much of the water and the sunset. We got here at a good time. There was so many people taking pictures though. But now we're off to dinner. I think we're going to like an Italian place. We're at this restaurant for dinner now. What is it called, Leah?
Oh god. Barrio? So blurry.
That's his name.
Oh.
We got this little wine.
It's good.
We got a pizza to share, and we also got a chicken, like a salad with chicken. I'm excited. We're hungry. We've been walking around all day, and
many steps.
So many steps, and it's so uphill. Genuinely, it was a workout getting here.
Genuinely.
So we deserve a little pizza, thank you, and a little wine. Woo! Hey guys, it's the next morning. We're off to get late breakfast. It's noon, but this is the outfit. This is Leah's outfit.
And there's her eggs. Here's my garlic mayo for my hash browns. And this is my salmon toast. Oh.
Okay. Hey guys, it's a while later. We've been shopping. I got a cute little shirt from Bershka.
Got this bracelet.
It's so cutie.
And got a little sweater thing.
I was really debating on wearing this shirt right now that I got, but I'm gonna save it for Mallorca. We came to the street with the umbrellas. Yeah. So it kind of started drizzling, but we're on our way to find this matcha place. We've been 15 minutes away for the last like 30 minutes. I'm really confused. So we just got to the matcha place after walking like literally 45 minutes uphill, and it's closed. Right. So we're taking an Uber to another matcha place. Hopefully this one's fucking open. We found a new cafe. I got the iced matcha with vanilla. That's what I always get absolutely everywhere. We're gonna try it. It looks really good. Oh, holy fuck. It's really good. Leah went to the bathroom, but she's gonna be excited. I also got the matcha cookie. This is like the babyest piece, but it's fire. This is the best matcha cookie I've ever had. We came to this other vintage photo booth because the one we wanted to do yesterday was closed. Here they are. This one, we weren't ready. Put my hair up because it was grossing me out. Oh. Look how fat that pour is. I mean, I drank some already, but it was like almost there.
This is my elderflower mojito. Really good. Kind of tastes like pesto.
Yeah, look who did.
Oh, like, there's basil.
Oh yeah, dude. We got the meatballs and this pizza.
Where's the burrata at?
Oh, it's not bad.
I taste only milk.